Hi everyone, this is JB Lopez of Isuzu, and now, allow me to present to you the Isuzu D-Max Boondock 4x4. The new Isuzu D-Max Boondock 4x4 boasts a macho-looking exterior starting here at the front with its gray radiator grille with chrome Isuzu decals and front bumper guard. An added features to the D-Max Boondock styling is its new customized body graphics that start from the hood and all the way extend down to the side. Under the hood, Isuzu's reliable 3.0-liter 4JJ1 TCX inline blue power diesel engine equipped with intercooler and turbo VGS. This engine can produce a maximum power of 177 PS and a 380 Nm of torque, and also a Euro 4 compliant. One important feature of this engine is its steel timing chain. Compared to the conventional rubber belts, the steel timing chain is more durable, reliable, and offers less cost on maintenance over time. Moving to the side, very noticeable is the ride height of the D-Max Boondock 4x4, mainly because of its new 265/70 all-terrain Yokohama Geolander tires, matched with the 17-inch matte black alloy wheels. Its monotube nitrogen-charged performance shock absorbers increase its ground clearance to 247 mm, perfect for traversing muddy and rocky terrain. As mentioned, the customized Boondock body graphics continues on each side. A matte black finish roof rail that is ready if you would like to add a roof basket. A new steel honeycomb designed side stepboard with Boondock logo, perfect for all off-road drivers, easy to clean but not easy to bend or crack. Now, a true pickup needs to be tough and durable, which is why the Isuzu D-Max Boondock 4x4 is built with Isuzu Signature's rigid chassis and fitted with semi-elliptical lip spring, designed to carry heavy loads and can last longer on roads. Getting inside the Isuzu D-Max Boondock is so convenient, thanks to its passive entry start and stop system. Once you have the electronic keys with you, even inside in your pocket, just hold on to that door handle, wait for that beep sound, and the door will be unlocked. The Isuzu D-Max Boondock 4x4 has a lot of safety features both for driver and its passengers. For convenience, auto-climate air conditioning control, 12-volt accessory outlet, 3 USB charging ports, 10 cup holders, and 15 storage compartments. For entertainment, an 8-inch full-touch monitor with Bluetooth and iPad connectivity, USB, MP3, CD-DVD, USB link, and Wi-Fi display, which you can conveniently control through the audio controls button located on the steering wheel. Seats are made with perforated leather. For easy adjustment according to your comfort and space requirement, the driver's seat is equipped with a 6-way power adjust. Second row boasts ample floor-to-ceiling height and of course the legroom. These seats can be folded into 60-40 ratio to accommodate more cargo. Moving on to the back, the D-Max Boondock 4x4 is equipped with an LED rear combination lamp, reverse sensing sensor, and reverse camera for additional safety. For the cargo area, the tailgate has a customized Boondock logo graphics. Opening it up, you have a very spacious cargo with a dark gray cargo extender with Isuzu logo in it. The D-Max Boondock is also equipped with the Isuzu bed liner, so you don't have to worry about the dents and scratches on your cargo bed. The Isuzu D-Max Boondock 4x4 comes in both automatic and manual transmission. Standard warranty of 3 years or 100,000 kilometers, whichever comes first applies. After-sales service and parts availability are not a problem because Isuzu got you covered with its nationwide dealer network and mobile medic service which can get to you even on far-flung areas. Our dealership even offers vehicle health report assessment within minutes, the new air wash system to sanitize your air conditioning to make sure you breathe clean, purified air inside your vehicle. Price range for the Isuzu D-Max Boondock 4x4 can be found in the description box. You may also call the nearest Isuzu dealer to check their latest promotions. To know more about the Isuzu D-Max Boondock 4x4, log on to www.isuzupil.com or visit an Isuzu dealership near you. For those who want to inquire at the convenience of their home, check out our new digital dealer page and talk to us via Facebook, Zoom, Skype, and Teams. See you guys next time for more walk-around videos of our durable and reliable Isuzu vehicles.